Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. So in today's video, I've got something really nice to show you all. They're brand new Bluetooth earphones from Zaap. The special thing about these earphones is, they're fully waterproof earphones. They're IPX7 rated waterproof, that means you can even use them while swimming. Like how cool is that? So you guys might be thinking, why do I have these many boxes over here, right? Well, isn't it obvious? I'm gonna do a mega giveaway in this video. I'll be giving away 5 of these Bluetooth earphones to you guys, to lucky subscribers on my channel. I'll tell you about the giveaway details later in the video, so stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Alright, let's get started with the video. So here they are guys, on my desk I have about 6 of these Bluetooth earphones from Zaap. And as I've told you, I'll be doing a mega giveaway in this video. Okay, we'll talk about that later. First, let me show you the box packing. So the Zaap Aqua Xtreme waterproof Bluetooth earphones come in this sort of box packing. It's a very compact box with the Zaap branding on the front. Let me just grab my knife and cut this out of packing. There we go. So this is how the box looks like. It's a simple white box with a picture of the earphones on the front. Looks like they also come with a free carry case, and as I've told you, they're IPX7 rated waterproof. Let's see what else is written on the box. So over here we've got a list of all the items that you get in the package. And on the other side we've got the technical specs of these earphones. They're Bluetooth version 4.1, have a built-in 90 mAh battery, have a standby time of around 250 hours, takes around 2.25 hours for charging, and the company says that they offer around 9 hours of continuous music playtime. So those are all of its specs. There's nothing much written at the back except some details regarding the product. Okay, so let's get started with the unboxing. I'll only be unboxing one of them because all are exactly the same ones. So let me just put all of them aside and open this one. Alright, the outer card slides out like this, and on the inside we got this simple looking cardboard box with the Zaap logo at the top. Let's open it and see what do we have on the inside. Oh, it says thank you for choosing Zaap. And over here we've got a carry case for the earphones. Let me just show it to you. So this is how it looks like. You've got the Zaap branding on the front, and I guess the earphones come inside this case. We'll just check it out in a moment. First, let's see what else do we get in the box. Looks like we've got a lot of paperwork here, which includes a user manual, make sure to read that, a warranty card, and some product catalogs. And finally, you also get a USB cable for charging these earphones. So that's it, these are all the items you got in the package. Now let's finally check out the earphones. The Aqua Xtreme earphones come in this carry case, and I have to tell the quality of this case is very nice. Okay, let me open it and show you the product. So here they are, Zaap's brand new wireless Bluetooth earphones, and along with that you also get a packet of extra ear tips. Now let me finally show you the earphones. So this is how the Zaap's new Aqua Xtreme waterproof earphones look like. They've got a sporty look with ear hooks design and come only in this black color. You've got the Zaap branding on both of them, and talking about the build quality is very nice. They're made of high quality plastic but have a soft rubberized material on the outside. And they're also IPX7 rated waterproof with Nano X coating on top of that. And this is how they look from the back. Talking about the earbuds quality, they've got high quality silicone earbuds with orange accents and feel soft and durable. Okay, now let me show you the available buttons and ports. You see this orange color button with the Zaap logo on the right earpiece? That's a multi-function button used to power on the earphones. And at the top you got the volume up and volume down buttons. On the bottom side there's a rubber flap under which you've got a micro USB port for charging these earphones. So that's it, these are all the available buttons and ports. And yes, these earphones also come with a built-in microphone, so you can even answer calls directly. And here is its cable. It's got a flat wire design and looks strong, durable, and also tangle resistant. So that was our quick look at the Zaap Aqua Xtreme. Now let me just put them on and tell you about the comfort and the audio quality. The Zaap Aqua Xtreme are quite comfortable to wear for long time usage. The noise isolation is good, and since they are IPX7 rated water resistant, they can not only be used during intense workouts but can even be used while swimming. Coming to the audio quality, I would say the audio quality was above average. The mids were crisp and clear and you could clearly hear the vocals. The treble quality was also decent. And talking about the bass, these earphones were producing good punchy bass, but what I felt was on the overall they were offering an average quality sound. There was still some room for improvement considering the price tag. The TRHD was less up to 75% volume level, beyond which you could feel the distortion. But I have to tell the audio output was very high on them. I couldn't go beyond 70% volume level. As I've told you earlier, they also have a built-in mic and the microphone quality was decent during call conversations. Okay, now let me tell you about the battery life. The battery life was very good on these earphones. On an average, at 65% volume level, I was easily getting around 8 to 9 hours of continuous music playtime, and charging them from 0 to 100 took around 2.5 hours. Well, that was my review on the Zaap Aqua Xtreme. They're tough all-weather Bluetooth earphones. The build quality is nice, love that they're fully waterproof and offer a great battery life. The only thing I felt was the audio quality could have been better, or at least the price should have been a bit lower. They cost about 2500 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. Okay, I know you all have been waiting for this. Now let me tell you about the giveaway. So I'll be giving away 5 Aqua Xtreme earphones to 5 of my lucky subscribers on my channel. It's very simple to participate in this giveaway. All you need to do is follow me on my social media accounts like Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. And that's it, you'll automatically enter the giveaway. This contest will run for about 2 weeks from today, and the winner will be chosen randomly from the comment section down below and announced on both my YouTube as well as Twitter account. Well, that was it for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.